Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to my channel. Every supply chain starts off with raw materials, things like trees, petroleums, and minerals. And through a series of manufacturing processes, we convert these raw materials into finished products that get sold to an end user. So in this video, let's take a look at some terms and concepts that we use in manufacturing. Let's begin. First, let's talk about the three kinds of inventories that you will find in a factory. The things that factory buy are their inbound materials. The inventory in the middle is called work in process or WIP, and their output are called finished goods. You generally want to keep all three kinds of inventory as low as possible. But you need to be careful because if you run out of the inbound inventory, you could shut down the entire manufacturing line. Next, let's talk about capacity. There's only so much a factory can produce at one time, and this is the capacity. The things that limit the capacity are called constraints. Constraints might be caused by equipment, not being able to hire enough people, or to buy your inbound materials. Factories don't usually operate at their full capacity. You call the amount of capacity that actually being used is the utilization rate. So, a factory that has a 50% utilization is only using half of the capacity, while high utilization rates are generally good. Factories need some downtime to do preventive maintenance, or we call it a PM. PM helps to avoid unplanned shutdowns because of a machine's malfunctions. Also, supply chain professionals understand that you don't want to have a factory running at a high utilization rate unless you are sure that customers are going to buy your products, because that would just mean you are making unnecessary finished goods inventory. Now, let's take a look at how we structure a manufacturing or assembly line. The steps in a manufacturing process are often called workstations, work center, or work cell. The list of components that go into a product is called the bill of materials, or the BOM. When you pre-source and arrange the parts that will be used in a workstation, that is called kitting. And kitting is often done in a distribution area called a supermarket. The time required to complete a step in a manufacturing process is called the Takt Time. One way to ensure a series of manufacturing steps will work smoothly is to make sure that they all have a similar Takt Time. That's called balancing or leveling a production line. When you change over a line from making one product to another, there's usually some setup time during which you can't make anything. Minimizing setup time can improve your efficiency. To do this, we use a process improvement techniques called single minutes exchange or DIE or SMED. And last but certainly not least, in any manufacturing environment, safety have to be the top priorities. When people need to wear special equipment like steel-toe shoes or safety glasses, this is called personal protective equipment or PPE. Manufacturing is about converting raw materials and components into finished products. And by understanding the basics, you can do so much better job of planning and managing the manufacturing processes in your own supply chain. Okay, that's the end of my sharings today. Check out other learning content at the end of this video. It's really helped you understand all this basic terminology in operations control. Once again, my name is Vivienne. I am the business software coach, and I really appreciate you guys here today. Have a great day, and I see you in my next video.